to KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how I make a supreme pizza fried rice. Yes, you heard that right. I come up with these really crazy ideas every now and then, and this one really just works. Okay, let's get on with it. Alright, first thing, I've got a little bit of peanut oil in my wok. I've got my wok heating up to a nice medium type heat. I don't like burning the living daylights out of my cookware. So we're just going to add in around about 200 grams worth of Hungarian salami. You could use pepperoni if you want. You could use a hot salami if you also want. But we're just going to use this one. We're going for a little bit of a milder flavour. Right. Going to start heating that up like that, and here I've got one onion which I've quarter cut in the Asian type style that I typically do. If you're a follower of the channel, you'd know that. And I'm adding in around about 3 to 4 rashers of bacon that I've just cut up into nice little tiny chunks. That can all go straight in, and what we're trying to do is get all of those oils out of those meats and get them distributed over the pan, just let them render down, and it's also going to help cook the onion. Here I've got about 4 little mushrooms that I've just finely sliced. Alright, just like that. I'm using everything that I would get on a supreme pizza from my pizza joint just down the street, and with a couple of extras as well. Right, so we can just start heating that through nicely. As I said, around about a medium type heat at the moment. Alright, very, very simple to do, and it's also a great way to use up some leftovers. I've got a little bit of leftover smoked chicken, thinly sliced. Why not? Why not have smoked chicken on a pizza? We can throw that in, and a little bit of green capsicum or green bell pepper for the people overseas. Alright, that can go straight in at this point as well. We're just going to make sure we get that out of the little ramekin that I'm using. Alright, there we go, there's that last piece, and just keep stirring that through. As you can see, we've got a little bit of steamage happening off the ingredients so far, but here I've got some leftover rice. Now this rice is a few days old, and this is actually the leftover rice from my Greek style chicken and rice bake, and the extra flavour in that rice really made this dish come together and taste amazing. You don't have to do that. You can just use plain white or brown rice if you like. Okay, break all of that up into nice little fluffy bits. We don't want those big clumps. So as we keep stirring, those clumps will start to break down, and we'll end up with a really nice even grain to meat ratio. Alright, so just keep stirring that through, and taste it from time to time. If you think it needs a little bit of garlic or whatever, you can do that. I'm adding a little bit of garlic paste right here, around about 1.5 cloves worth of garlic that goes straight in. And what's pizza without some basil? I'm going to add in a little bit of basil paste as well. Not traditional in a fried rice, but neither is a pizza fried rice. So just keep mixing all of those flavors together, just like I'm doing right there, and this will take you a total of maybe 10 minutes to cook. Very, very quick, very, very simple. I've got one tomato which I've chopped up into nice little chunks, and I've left the seeds and the juice in there. It's going to give us a little bit of colour to this rice as well. Alright, so just keep stirring that through. Now, what else can we put on a pizza? Anything you want. Basically, there's no rules to this recipe at all. I'm going to add in sliced black olives. Yum, love olives on a pizza. They go in. We're going to stir that up, just like I'm doing right there. And this is a supreme pizza, so we're going to add in, yep, pineapple. Yep, I like pineapple on pizza. If you don't add it. Very, very simple. And before you know it, you've got the most incredible fried rice dish that you have ever tasted. It's got the consistency of fried rice with all those added flavors. How easy was that to do? Thank you so much for watching this video. Really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you don't like this video, hit that like button because I said so. Share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. Hit the notifications bell to be notified every time a new video goes up. Leave a comment. I love reading and I love responding to them. I love my subscribers. More importantly, if you want to learn how to cook something that, I don't know, I just came up with in a dream, well, you need to come and join the family, my family. Hit the subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. Off to eat this supreme pizza fried rice, and I will catch you next time. Bye.